Going into the end of the day yesterday on Christmas, we did get a little bit of a dump, which disappointed some people. But over the past few 4-hour candle periods, we have actually found a nice higher low on the chart. Bitcoin is actually creating a stair-step pattern back to the upside. And a lot of this has taken place just over the past few minutes. This is actually the 1-minute chart, and it's been pretty entertaining to watch this for the past 10-15 minutes. But the more important thing to be looking at here is the 4-hour chart. So Bitcoin is creating constructive price action now on the 4-hour time frame, which is awesome to see. And we may now also be in the midst of a bump and run bullish reversal pattern. All of this and more in today's video. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson, and today we're going to be discussing the Bitcoin price action. Before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe to this channel if you're new. The chart that I'm looking at right here is the daily chart for Bitcoin. But this is not the current Bitcoin chart, although it looks like it. This is actually the March crash low during the COVID-19 pandemic, right? This is actually March 2020. And we had a bump and run bullish reversal pattern take place. And the chart here for Bitcoin from 2020 looks very similar to what we're seeing now. Bitcoin is now sitting in a pattern that resembles very much the March COVID crash pattern, where we had an epic reversal bottom, right? A bump and run reversal bottom. In the middle of April, Bitcoin was challenging the downward sloping resistance of this bump and run bullish reversal pattern. And then we eventually broke out and came back all the way back to the highs there. And Bitcoin is now sitting in a position where it may recreate a similar effect in the market. This is the daily chart for Bitcoin, and looking at our downward sloping resistance line, it seems like even on this daily candle, we just confirmed support off of the previous resistance. And this is possibly confirming that we are now in a bump and run bullish reversal bottom. So once again, looking at the daily chart, we are above our downward sloping resistance, confirming that as new support. And the next major hurdle in the shorter term is going to be getting above the previous high from September of this year, which is about 53,500. I would say that that is the level that I'm personally looking at. A lot of support in this range from before, also right here. So we need to be getting above 53,500 and getting closes above there, because if we don't, if we just come up to this point and get rejection right off this resistance, then we would technically be in a head and shoulders pattern, right? Left, right, head, right? So we actually have to be getting above 53,500, breaking above it, confirming it as support, and running and continuing this bump and run bullish reversal pattern, right? And that is currently what we're waiting here for Bitcoin. Of course, we could test 53.5 and get rejection and then break it afterward, right? There might be a little bit of resistance there anyway along the way, but it's looking pretty good so far for the bulls. Still not out of the woods just yet, but I like what I'm seeing right now. Also, I want to check one of my favorite combo indicators, which is the parabolic stop and reverse indicator paired up with the Heikin-Ashi candles. And currently the 3-day time frame is the best, most reliable time frame for this combo indicator pair. And we are seeing that we have now the second 3-day candle in a row showing a bullish reversal. Since over here, when we broke down after basically Tesla said that they're not accepting Bitcoin anymore, that was back in May of this year, and we crashed all the way down to 30,000. The parabolic stop and reverse indicator has been extremely accurate at calling exact bottom reversal zones, exact top reversal zones, exact bottom reversal zones, and exact top reversal zones all the way through 6 months of the year or more. And now we're getting a possible, very reliable bullish flip reversal indicator. So I'm extremely confident now that this is the bottom, and we're going to be seeing multiple weeks of upside and possibly multiple months of upside, right, from here, and maybe even looking for a full recovery back to the highs. And so then, what does it mean if Bitcoin is going to be recovering from here? What does the even larger picture look like? From my opinion, what I've been talking about on this channel a lot, what this channel has been known for recently, is the 3 peaks and a domed house chart pattern. And it seems like it is actually a possibility now that we would be in the midst of creating our first floor before running up to the roof, right? So we want to see a consolidation along the previous 3 peaks here, and I think that's actually what's likely first floor, and then a breakout to the roof. So I think we're basically in this stage right now, the first floor creation. And then we'll see when in 2022 we may or may not actually break out to new all-time highs. I do think it's likely that we will. But in the meantime, we are looking for this bump and run bullish reversal pattern, right? And again, I think we're going to be running up to at least the 786, if not the previous high here. So that is my current outlook on the market. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you all soon.